Hi everyone, this is Carol. My blog is Chocolate Crafts and Bears Oh My, and I was in a pocket letter swap on Facebook, and it is a mason jar pocket letter, and mine is going to Candy in California. And this was really fun to create. Mason jars are so popular. When my son got married in March, mason jars were the theme for the wedding, and so I have quite a few different configurations of mason jars. So let's get started. I made several of these little to from tags that you can use on gifts, and that was created with this punch right here from EK Tools, and I just used a little bit of paper punched lace and Martha Stewart butterflies. This paper was so pretty, I hadn't used it, and it has a lot of yellow in it, so I decided to use butterflies on my mason jars. This mason jar right here was created, I use this stamp a lot. It's called Stampin' Cut. I don't know, I guess it's art something. My Art is what it's called. I got it at Michael's anyway. I used it quite a bit on this. So that's how I created this little shaker. And then in here I have two little shaker jars. It has little things in it. And I created this with the thought that Candy would use these in a scrapbook or something, so I didn't like glue them down. And there's a pretty butterfly. Those are Martha Stewart. And then this is where my letter is going. And this is like a envelope die that I used that has a tag in it with more butterflies and little punched flower. And then I remembered that I had this little Tilda Magnolia stamp holding a mason jar, and I thought it was so cute that I had to use it on here. This is attached on the outside, and then inside here are three mason jars that are Jolie stickers that Candy can use. And then for my center pocket, I wanted to use the world of reality has its limit, but the world of imagination is boundless. And then this is another mason jar that I put these little sticker blings in there, and of course there's more butterflies. And then I have a jar with some trim wrapped around it, and this right here is a little heart with wings, charm tied on, and another butterfly. This is on the outside. And these are some gift tags. There's 3 in this pocket, and there's 3 in the pocket in the back. And then this particular pocket has these little page flags, and I made these rolled roses. Aren't they pretty? I glittered them and put some leaves and everything on that. And then the back is just this paper right here. I stuck my goodies in between the pages. So this is going out Tuesday to Candy, and I thank you for watching my video, and hope you are enjoying making your pocket letters. See you soon.